Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add funds to Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. To add funds to Polymarket, you need three things: a crypto wallet, USDC, and the Polygon network. Let's get started. On your PC, open your web browser and go to MetaMask. Create a wallet and save your recovery phrase somewhere safe. This wallet holds your money. Polymarket uses USDC, which is a digital version of the US dollar. Buy USDC from an exchange like Coinbase. Use your bank account or card. After buying USDC, send it to your MetaMask wallet. When sending USDC, always select the Polygon network, not Ethereum. Paste your MetaMask wallet address and confirm the transfer. Once the USDC is in your MetaMask wallet, open browser and go to Polymarket website and make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on deposit. From your connector MetaMask, enter the amount of USDC you want to add. MetaMask will pop up and click confirm. Wait a few seconds and that's it. Your funds are now added to Polymarket and ready to use. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.